Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I will be doing an unboxing on my Apple credit card. I just received this. I have I got approved a few years ago for the Apple credit card, but I didn't even bother to get the physical card myself. And then I just decided that I wanted to have the card on my wallet. So anyway, it came in with this brown packaging right here, and also I will be showing you how I pre-ordered my iPhone 14. So today, the 9th, September 9th, it is actually the day where Apple starts their pre-order for the upcoming release of the iPhone 14. And yesterday, the 8th, if you go to the Apple Store, it'll give you an option to actually save the phone that you wanted. And then later on this morning, which is around 5 o'clock in the morning, you could complete the pre order. But you're not going to be able to get the phone later next week, which I believe it's as early as September 16th. That's I think so. Yeah, that was just the date where you'll get the phone. You got an options to have it delivered to your home address or also pick up at the nearest Apple store. So anyway, let's just do the unboxing first. I am so excited for this, guys. I was told that, my Apple card is on my phone, really, but this is my first time to request. They sent me an email regarding this card, whether I wanted to get it, the physical one or not, and I just keep ignoring it. And then a week ago, and I decided, said, okay, sent me one, and this is how it looks. Right here, there is the emblem of an apple right there. Wow, very nice. And then this was made up of cardboard, though. It's like a cardboard. And then let me see. Let me take a peek. Okay. So, let me just cover my information. Okay, so let me just show you the card. Okay, so this is how it looks. Wow, it's actually very colorful. So it says right there, hold iPhone here to activate the card. Like that. So this is the actual card right here. So let me just take this one out. This is very interesting. So let me just take this one out so that you guys will be able to see. Oh, okay. So this is how it looks. It is just it says it's made up of titanium, though, and it is pretty simple. It's just the logo right there. You could actually, I think this were actually laser etched on the card, the logo right there, and then my name right here, and also at the back, it's just this is run through MasterCard. It's pretty simple and nothing so special. Writing on the cards, it is like there is no number, there is no code or whatsoever. It's just the logo, your name, and the MasterCard right there, and that's pretty much it. So yeah, it is actually pretty thick and it has a substantial weight to it. And let me just, I have my card right here. This is from this is from Chase. This is also made up of metal, but if you would try to compare it, this one, the apple is thicker. So let me just do that one right there. I also have the gold card right here. This one is heavy metal, though. And right here, so I got my name here, the expiration date, and also at the back there were some information about the card. But yeah, this one is, the apple one is actually very thick. It looks very neat and clean, though. So This is actually, yeah, this is the Apple credit card. So if you just, you have an option whether you wanted to get the physical one, or if you wanted to just use it, the Apple Pay over on your phone in the wallet right there. You got that option. It's quite easier to do that. But sometimes with my wallet, I know if you put this card in your wallet, it might be too heavy. And also, I'm just a little bit scared sometimes that if you go take it in and out, it would, rip the side of your credit card holder. So that was just my concern with this type of credit card. But anyway, it's actually really nice. I kind of like it. So anyway, oh, so let me just put this one right here. So anyway, I did pre-order my phone, the iPhone 14 this morning. That's because I wanted to add one more in my collection just to back up some of my videos, some of the photos. I never deleted them. And this year, I got the 13 Pro Max with 1 TB. This one right here. And it's there's still plenty of storage left on that, but I just felt like I wanted to get a little bit like the portable ones, a little bit like smaller version of it. So I did pre-order early this morning. It was ridiculous. Like seriously, do I really have to wake up early in the morning just for that? So anyway, I'm going to show you how I did it. So prior to its pre-order date, which is yesterday, last night, you could actually go onto the website or the Apple Store. You could select the phone that you wanted, and then you can save that and then complete the pre-order later on, which I did it this morning. I think it's around 5:05, around something that time. It's not exactly at 5 o'clock in the morning, but I know it's a 5 o'clock Pacific time. So what I did is I did save it prior to its pre-order date, and then it was just so easy. It's just a few clicks away, and that's it. So last night, what I did is just open the app, save it right there. You actually select the phone, the color, then you're gonna select the capacity or the storage that you wanted, and also if you have a trade-in, you could trade in your older phones. And then the existing plan, if you have an existing plan, you could also do that as well. And then they also have an Apple Care, and also they'll give you an option to have it delivered or pick up at the store. So in my case, what I did is I wanted to pick it up at the store. That's because I just didn't really it requires a signature, and I didn't want to wait all day long just for that. I just want to go to the store at my convenient time and pick it up myself. So I actually picked around, I did pick around like 11 o'clock in the morning, because that is the only options that they have. I live close to an Apple Store. We have two Apple Store, in fact, which is like a mile away. It's not even a mile away from where I live, so that is pretty convenient. And also at the checkout, they'll ask you whether you wanted to pay upfront if you have a trade-in, and also they'll give you an option if you wanted to use your Apple credit card or also with another credit card. So it'll give you the prompt right there at the end. So anyway, I think so I managed to completely place my order. So I will be just waiting next week, which is Friday, and I will be picking it up at the store. So it's just like a first come first serve basis, I think. I mean if you place it early this morning, more likely you'll get it next week Friday. But if you place it today, later today, between noon or even like this moment, apparently you might end up probably getting it sometime in October. It depends on the availability though. Sometimes they came early, it arrived early, it'll give you the estimate time. But right now, I think it will be sometime in October. So if you did it early this morning, I'm pretty sure you'll get it next week on Friday. But I would suggest if you have a time to pick it up at the store, go and pick it up at the store, because I know that is going to be the busiest day for them to deliver the phones and everything like that. I don't know how much volume that they're actually getting, and you're probably going to end up getting your phone like as late as 8 o'clock at night, or it could be the next business days. With I'm not sure if it's a UPS or FedEx though. I don't even remember anymore. So anyway, I hope that those are I actually put some of those boxes right there. Those are some of my phones. I have at least 10 of them. I am fan of an Apple ever since, and I keep them. I don't trade them, and I don't use all of them, but whenever I get one, I kept them and added into my collection. And also, it also sometimes I backed up some of my videos and some photos and everything like that. Sometimes I deleted videos and photos that I don't need anymore, but most of the time I kept it. So that's why I got the 1 terabyte, the capacity, because when I am a content creator and I have used my phone to film my videos, and most of the time I do it. I did my it is I think, yeah, I did most of the time. It's a 4K. The resolution that I have been using all the time is 4K. So it takes a lot of space though. So if you have it does require a lot of storage. So anyway, that's it for my unboxing today, and next week that would be the 14. And also I hope that this video would actually help you guide you a little bit on how to order the latest iPhone 14. So anyway, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching and have a great weekend. Bye.